Hi, this is Anna Mayfield from Glory Garden. I wanted to share with you a quick tip regarding ginger. I have a knob of ginger right here that I just got from the grocery store. And first of all, what I'm going to do with it is take a paring knife and peel it. After I have it completely peeled, I'm going to take this and throw the whole knob of it in a Ziploc freezer bag and throw it in the freezer. Now this bag I've already frozen. These are not thawed out. These are still frozen chunks of ginger. And when I'm ready to use it in a recipe, I can take this bag out of the freezer, take the ginger, and using a microplane grater, which looks like this, and a cutting board, I can grate the ginger, still in the frozen state, and voila, I have a nice pile of fresh grated ginger. Then I can take this knob, still frozen, throw it back in the bag, throw it back in the freezer, and it'll be ready to use for next time. So what I love about doing this is that when you have the fresh raw ginger and you grate it, it can tend to be a little bit stringy and fibrous, but when I grate the frozen ginger, even though it's still rock solid, it's still very easy to grate and it doesn't have any of that stringy stuff. So now you know why when I have ginger in so many of my recipes, I especially love it on like sauteed greens. It really takes like the kale or the chard, really makes it awesome, takes it to the next level. But now you know it takes me like 5 seconds to take this thing out of the freezer, grate it up real fast, throw it in whatever recipe I'm cooking, and bam, I'm done. So hope you find this helpful.